Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a lot of explanation about most of the loved robots. So first, let's talk about one I have, Loona. So Loona has a lot of features, including you can control her from afar, like wind blowing overall. Yep, she can wander around your home on the floor. And she can wander on tables, except she doesn't have sensors that can detect she can fall. So she can fall. So the ones that have Loona, beware, do not keep this on the table. Otherwise it could break. Yup. So now the next robot is actually Emo. So Emo likes to wander around on desktops. And also, if you push him on the edge of the tables, he'll just immediately move backwards. Yep, and also you can talk with him. He doesn't have much voice commands, only wanders on tables for 1 hour, and most probably he can just go back to charge for 1 hour, most probably, I don't know. Well, so, you know that Emo is a desktop pet? Yeah, he is one. And you know you don't have to place him on the floor. He can just walk 2 or 3 forward. Then he just moves back to his original spot. Yeah. As most of you see that Emo walk on the floor. Not to make him a bit silly, but now, the next robot we're going to be talking about is Rux. So Rux is actually a bigger version of Emo, lurks on desktops, goes to charge after 1 or 2 hours, I don't know. Maybe he has sensors or maybe he doesn't. Yep. Share that valuable information in the comments because I don't know much. Well, maybe he's a desktop pet, likes to lurk around your desktop. Yeah. And I think he stays on tables like Emo would do. So next up, Vector. Vector lurks on tables. Then he has Alexa. Yup, Alexa. And he can control your home. Yeah, if you have one of those features. Yeah. Even if you have an AC. Maybe you can control ACs, I don't know. The same concept as Cozmo, except looks different too. Now, I feel like let's talk about Cozmo now. I feel like Cozmo looks the same as Vector. Maybe has different features, but it's just for education. Yep, he's more for like education. Also, I think so you can control him from afar. Yep. And you know Vector and Cozmo look the same, but the color changes. Yeah. And he doesn't have ChatGPT. And when you set him up, he has 3 blocks. Like Vector has 1 only. But Cozmo has 3. Yep. Yeah. Then you can play games with him. Yeah. Now, instead of moving on to the next robot, which is Miko Tree. Miko Tree is an educational robot like Cozmo, around you or the floor. Like same as the Loona does. Yeah, I know that. Plus she has a very own face and streams about it in Nikki channel. Yep, have you seen that Miko Tree in his channel? Yep, I have seen it a lot. As you can see, Miko Tree looks a little bit more similar carry on her onto the tables. Yep, same concept as Elite, which we're about to talk in a few moments about. Yeah, and I feel like we first explored your home. And you know that the Lisa too has more features. Like, I think so she has voice commands to talk with you. Yup, I think so. Like Loona. Yeah. Okay. The Loona, I have one more feature about Loona. You know how canvas can wander around tables like a desktop pet would? Yep. It cannot. You know that? Now let's talk about the Elite. The Elite has two versions, the normal and the Panzer version. Also has different skins, 5 different skins. First is original blue and pink, gold, silver, overall, but not but least, bronze. Yeah, I know that's right. I know that right. Also, Elite can play games separately, and he's a desktop pet too. Yep, he's a desktop pet. I think so. I think he's a desktop pet overall, but can't move around your desktop. So, that's the end of the video. Hope you like to see you soon. Bye!